Hey, welcome back. For those of you who are still with us on the show, this is our Immigration Survivor Show with the one and only Ope Banwo. And with me in the studio is Grace Okafor, Samuel Lockman, and Stephen Oyeleye. Those are my paralegals who helped me put this show together. I continue to appreciate you, the three of you, for being there. Let me bring them on stage briefly before we go to the Q&A. Thank you again, guys, for doing a great job in the studio for me. We're about to get into the Q&A session now and take some of the questions that has been sent to us since some of it on our pages, some of it in this call, and hopefully we get to answer all your questions tonight over the next 1 hour. For those of you, if you don't get your questions today, please be assured we'll continue to store them and we'll answer them on the thread or bring them out in the next show. So let's first start with this first question from hold on a second here. I want to put the questions up on board. Where is it now? Okay, let's start with this. Is the first one we got actually. Somebody says, can my pending asylum case and the new small business partnership help me get status? Can my pending asylum case and a new small business partnership help me get status in US? Well, a pending asylum case already gives you a temporary legal process to remain in the US while your case is being decided. However, simply starting or joining a small business partnership does not automatically give you lawful status or give you a green card. A lot of people make that mistake, thinking that if they can start their own business, that their business can get them green card. It's not true. You can legally own or invest in a business in many situations in America. But immigration status and business ownership are two separate things, unless you get a smart lawyer to help you try to put them together even before you start the company. Your business may help only if it later qualifies maybe for an investor-based immigration category, or an employer employs you, or the business become eligible for programs like EB1 investment immigration or L1 and stuff like that. But it takes creativity on the part of your lawyer to make that be able to get you your papers. It doesn't automatically give you that. Also, asylum applicants may apply for work permit or what is called work authorization after meeting the USCIS eligibility requirement, meaning it must have been filed for more than 150 days and they have not yet called you for interview, blah, blah, blah. So that will give you work permit if you have an asylum file. And once approved, you can legally work or participate in business activities. But there's an important warning on this question that I think a lot of people make that mistake about. A business ownership or partnership does not automatically erase your unlawful presence, your visa overstays, or removal proceedings. It doesn't protect you from that. So my best practical advice, not knowing your specific situation, is that to keep your asylum case very strong and do not rely on business alone as an immigration solution unless you have a seasoned business immigration lawyer who is advising you every step of the way. So you should have an immigration attorney review both your asylum case and the business structure together, and they'll be able to tell you, if you get a good one, how this can help you or not help you. That is the best I can give without having too much context on your situation. I hope that helps.